Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your service information system on your Mercedes Benz A-Class model. So, now we have to be fast. Ignition on, 2 times tap on the trip button, then ignition off. Hold the O button, the trip reset button, and get the ignition on again. Then hold it for about 10 seconds and you can see the reset is done. Okay, this was fast, really fast. Okay, here you can see it is reset. The service is gone. Good job. Now, we are performing it a little bit slower. First step is ignition on. Then tap 2 times on the trip reset button 2 times, then switch off, and then hold and on the ignition and hold it for 10 seconds. After this, the reset is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.